I'm Dr. Karl Robinson. I'm a medical doctor and a homeopath. I've been practicing homeopathy since the late 1970s. I've studied all over the world, literally, in India, Greece, Belgium, Germany, UK, US, Canada, on, and have picked up a lot of very interesting things during these years, which I'd love to share with everyone. And the great thing about homeopathy is that with the correct homeopathic medicine or medicines, it's possible that people can decrease and sometimes get off their pharmaceutical drugs, which is a big plus. So I very much look forward to talking in more detail about what I've picked up over the years, and hopefully I can provide a bonus to those of you who are looking at this event. Thank you very much.